Welcome back to ORESTO'S garage. So, getting some work done on this HG wagon. I'm going to nickname it the cheer wagon. So, yeah, there's a few things going on with that. However, I'm going to get some paint stripper on that blue, and just keep going. I might show you what I'm doing at the moment. It's just all the boring. So, yeah, just got it on this, whatever this blue is. It's real runny. So, can't sand it. This is just all the crap that's hit it. While I've been trying to strip it back and treat it. That's rust treatment did that to that paint. But that's what I'm using. So, yeah, this is just from rust treatment. It melted the paint. So, yeah, you just peel it off. But yeah, I'll get some stripper on that and see what's underneath it. So here's an update. That blue shit is finally coming off, exposing bog over blue over primer. Bit more up here, but that's 3 coats I've done. First one came off pretty easy. It's just the undercoat, so I'll be doing the same on this side very shortly. Hopefully it comes off quicker and easier. But fuck me, was that blue a pain in the ass to get off? That's all I can say. Alright, so got it all stripped back to what I can. Get rid of the rest of this shit right around. It's slowly, still surprisingly bubbling off, but yeah, she's not as straight as it was with all that bog on it, and paint and paint and paint. Probably too thick of paint on it, but yeah, this side will be next. That was full of silicone. I've got to redo these pinch welds. Yeah, clean up all this crap around the edges here. So, started doing all this trim and the pinch weld around here. Sorry, not trim, body. To where that, there's like a aluminium trim that goes around it. Seals it all in. But yeah, I'm going to fire up the compressor and keep going. Alrighty, so update. Now, finding all the bog, all the rust holes. So, big hole up here, big chunk of bog fell out. So, got bit of a mess going on here, but I already done all of this, so I only had to get the blue. So there's all there. Still a little bit of blue in places, but I'm just leaving that go, like up around here. But I'm still going to rub it back. Yeah, that's the HR for today. Still got this to do. What I really want to do is get a crack on the roof. Just you can see it. So yeah, that's the HR, known as the cheer wagon. So once I clean these floors all up, these aren't my doing, but that's a giveaway sign. That's a giveaway sign. That's a stop sign. Unsure what that was. But yeah. Still a fair bit of rust to go. A lot of shit to go. So Alright, so with the HG, I'm taking the front clip off. So every bolt undone, what I think I've got. It's just taken a while because all the bolts have been pitted and they rusted in there. So lucky I did take the clip off because they need replaced anyway. But I'll just see how she goes. Alright, let's grab this little sucker out and see which way it wants to fall. I reckon it's going to fall forward. So I'll get this clip out. Unless you want to hold the camera.
Yeah.
Underneath the front of that. Fingers. So the reason why I took the clip off, because all this shit around here of the decades been on the car, I need to clean in here to be able to paint. But it's also full of rust. So another clean-up job. She's pretty filthy, but I'll give her all clean up and yeah, we'll keep going.